What's going on, everybody? This is your boy, your software boy, Coach Rich, with two H's. And for those who don't know me, welcome to the Tribe Lab, where we're going to be cooking. Are you looking for a career switch? You want to get into IT? Are you in IT and you want to sharpen your current skills? Are you looking for a way to make some more money and you want to use IT to do it? Well, the Tribe Lab is the place for you. Now, what is IT? IT stands for Information Technology and involves a bevy of jobs from web development to software engineering to networking, database, cybersecurity, and much more. How can a Tri Lab help get you there? The Tri Lab is what I like to call a training camp that offers experience of all levels, whether you are just trying to get your feet wet into this field or whether you're in this field and you just want to learn something new. We offer learn course-based materials from the 100 levels on to beyond, and we even offer cert preparation that can even help you get the cert that you need for your resume. We even offer interactive project-driven exercises and classes where we all chip in to create projects, which may also help on your resume and your LinkedIn. Did you know the average growth within IT is about 350,000 jobs added every year? And you know what we're missing? You. Do you know why that growth is so exponential with no signs of slowing down? There's one key word: data. Data isn't everything. Everything uses data. Your phone uses data. Your car uses data. Your bed uses data. Your refrigerator uses data. Your treadmill uses data. I mean, I can go on. Data is only going to get more complex as the time goes on, which we need one thing: you. Did you know the average median salary in IT dealing with all this data is about 105 racks a year? And if you don't know what a rack is, that's $1,000. Now let's take a step back real quick. Who am I? I have over 14 years of experience in this career path. I started out my journey as an electrician. I quickly learned that that was a great career, but not for me. I went back to school. I got my master's degree in computer science and math. And during my journey, I had went back and tutored some folk. Some of these folk are in big time jobs. Some are in Apple, Google, Amazon. And I'm here to give you the most streamlined knowledge to get into one of these jobs. One of the biggest misconceptions of being in IT is that you need a degree to get into this field. But as a person who hires people, I'm here to tell you, we want to know that you can do your job. And my job is to help you do your job so you can get that job. So try it. What do you say? Let's get cooking.